Hello, this is Engineer Meshach PGM, representing meHOGn Water Engineering. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about water microfilters, installations, and the principles of how it works. I have with me a microfilter. This is 5 micron. You have a range of between 1 to 5 micron. This is another filter model. You can see they are graded. It's a multimedia system. It includes ceramic filtration, carbon, antibacterial layers. You also have this filter called the carbon block. It's in the range of 1 micron to 5, sometimes 10 micron, depending on the design. It is critical to get great understanding about the micron sizes of these filters. Many a time people install these water microfilters, not knowing the sequence or the arrangements. It is critical to note that if you want to install a microfilter, 5 micron, 3, 2, 1 down the line. The reverse osmosis has a micron size of 10 raised to the power minus 4 to 10 raised to the power minus 16. And the microfilter you install in the system is dependent on the kind of water you want to. So the quality of the water determines the micron size that is required. The whole essence of treating your water is to remove all the contaminants that affect the water. And this is important. If your water has contaminants, you cannot say it is treated or properly treated. So all these water technicians running water installations for factories need to know that you don't just install a microfilter, you must find the ratings. For instance, a 1 microfilter has a 3 GPM, that is 3 gallons per minute flow rate. A 2 micron filter, normal, has a 4 gallons per minute flow rate, or the capacity, the design capacity. And a 5 micron normal filter has a design capacity of 7 gallons per minute, abbreviated as 7 GPM. Then block of 20 micron normal has a rating of 8 GPM. And that of 50 micron normal has 10 GPM. When the year of absolutes and normal, they may be the same micron size. For instance, 1 micron absolute or 1 micron normal. The 1 micron absolute is more superior than the 1 micron normal. The 1 micron absolute can eradicate about 95% to 98% of the suspended particles or sediments in your water, while the 1 micron normal can take out only 50%. So some people get confused in these installations rating. It is important you do that. And for those that are using filters to treat their overhead water tanks, it is important that the selection of the micron is critical based on your water condition and quality. These are just preliminary treatments. From this stage, you go to the next stage, and to the next stage, and to the next stage. In my next presentation, I'm going to expand on this series of the microfilter technology. It is critical. We're in the era when you can't just drink water from your bowl source or from your tap source without going through a microfilter, which is the initial stage. This is Engineer T.G.M. meHOGn. Subscribe to this channel to enable you be alerted on the next video that is going to come up. In closing this brief presentation, the microfilters are critical for your water treatment, especially the initial stage of it. And all water, including the one from the subsurface, in other words, the borehole, must go through a microfilter before it enters your household or before you start using it. It's all about your health condition, and that is our concern. Thank you.
Other side of life, evaporated at the gleam of light.